Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about exponents. So right now we're learning properties of exponents. You learn it in 8th grade, and you'll see it again a little bit in high school. So I just want to go back and remind you guys about basic exponent information. For example, we have 10 to the 6th power. This is your base. That's what we call a base, and these are vocab words. And this is called a power. Okay, now 10 to the 6th power means 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times, I just had to check myself, 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6, 10 to the 6th power. It's a very easy concept to remember. Just make sure you are careful when you have these larger powers and you count it out like I did. Even though I've been doing this for quite a long time and I've been working with exponents, I still always count to make sure that I have the right amount of values here, because if I start to do the math here, my answer will be wrong if I'm off by, let's say, 1, or I have too many or too few 10s here. So that's why I always check, always count. I also want to prepare you guys for when you have exponent property questions that are not presented in a normal fashion. Alright, so we have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So a way we can do this, and let's say you have to answer with a single exponent. Let's say you're simplifying this to a single exponent. All I have to do is simplify. Five times 5 is what? 5 to the 3rd power. Don't forget to bring down your symbol. 5 times 5 is what? 5 to the 2nd power. Okay? Now what we know from our exponent properties, to simplify this into one single exponent, we just use what? The product rule, which says a number to a power times a number, same base, another power, means that you just add the bases. So what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5, so this will be 5 to the 5th power. So this is a really easy example, so just keep this in mind and make sure you are remembering your basic exponent information that you learned in the previous grade, so you don't have to work harder. Remember, work smarter, not harder.